what's up everyone? Thanks for taking a second to watch this video on my 2017 Ford F150 Raptor. So we've made a handful of modifications to this Ford Raptor, and we want to share them with you so that it kind of gives you a ballpark on price and a ballpark on what you can do to at least kind of give it a really cool and aggressive look. But to do that, it only makes sense to bring out my, call him Chief Technical Officer when it comes to cars, maybe? Chief Tech Guy? But my son Tyler, who knows a ton about cars. In fact, he actually knows a lot more from a technical acumen standpoint, technical details than I know about cars. He loves to correct me. All right, so before we get into what we did on this, walk everyone through a little bit of the history of the Raptor.
The Raptor originated as a experimental project in the basement of Ford. The first generation came out in 2010. The 6.2 liter V8. The second gen, which is this one, came out in 2017 with a 3.5 liter twin turbo V6. And the newest generation, 2021, also comes with the V6, now with the option for 35 or 37-inch tires. And all of these Raptors have technology derived from Baja.
Whoo, and that is true. So when you look at this Raptor right here, it has kind of a specific look, and for those that do modifications to their Raptors, we're going to talk about that in a minute, you're going to see the way it slouches a little bit in the back, and we'll kind of address that. But it's time to dig in, so check this out.
The first thing that every Raptor owner does is fix that front lean. Makes it look like it's parked on a hill, and there are two ways to fix that: a spring or a collar. And what we went with is this Eibach Leveling Kit. It's 1 inch, and it gives it that perfect stance and more clearance off-road. There are many options to choose from when it comes to brand for leveling kits. The three that we like are RPG, Faust, and Eibach, and they all give you that extra clearance to help you rip off-road. And from a pricing standpoint, the prices range from $300 for a collar or $1,000 for a spring. One thing that helps the look of any vehicle is wheels. We went with these ADD 8002s. They're 17 by 8.5. They have a really nice aggressive look with some faux bead locks. Now Dad, tell us about the tires.
Yeah, so here's what's really cool is the wheels give it the look, right? But the stance and the off-road performance, if you want a Raptor like this, you're gonna want mud tires. Now the stock Raptor comes with BFG all-terrains, those are the KOs, and they're amazing tires. But these right here, what we hand-picked for this Raptor, these are Nexen Roadian MTXs, and they are 35 by 1250, and as Tyler was saying, they're on that 17-inch wheel. So what's great about this tire is you're getting a Tier 1 tire at a Tier 3 price, and that's what we love the most about these awesome mud-digging tires. Sweet!
One thing that me and my dad love is cool aftermarket modifications. And we have this Frontrunner tent right here with this cool Frontrunner rack.
All right, so like Tyler said, we opted to go with Frontrunner. Now, there are a variety of different companies that you can go with out there, but we like Frontrunner. It's actually owned by a company in the RV industry, you know, Dometic. Dometic actually owns the brand for Frontrunner. And what I love the most about this is there's so much real estate up on top with this rack. So for Tyler and I, we put all our mountain bike stuff in here, like our stuff that we need, our spare tires and whatnot that we need. Everything that we need for being out there on the trail with our mountain bikes can go in here, or camping gear as well. And then this is actually one of my favorite things. We have it disconnected right now for you to see, but this is awesome right here. So this is actually a water container. And what we love is you can put the water in on the top, but on the side, you've got this awesome spigot area right here. So you can drop this spigot area in, and when you've been out mountain biking, you can actually shower off, Tyler.
One thing that we really wanted were these low-profile racks that give it a nice aerodynamic look.
So my absolute favorite addition to my Raptor is actually the covering unit that we put and installed in the rear. Tyler and I installed this together, and this is by ReTrax, which is owned by Truck Hero, and we absolutely love this. In fact, this is going to be pulled out of this truck, and it's going to go to whatever Ford F-150 I have. As long as it has that same bed size, it'll go to that next one because it's an amazing system. So the ReTrax unit is awesome because it just slides right open, fully waterproof, waterproofing the interior. But one of my favorite features is they actually have worked in partnership with a variety of companies, including Frontrunner, where you have the slide and go system. So you actually can take your Frontrunner, and these are your mounting brackets. You can just slide it all right on, which makes it super easy to lock them down, protect them, and you don't have to add any other features in. So you get all that added wonderful protection. You get to lock this sucker down. It's all waterproofed, and they've integrated in with companies like Frontrunner and Yakima and others to integrate in these cool little slides.
One thing that we like to do with all our trucks is a bed liner so that it can protect it from the environment, rust, and anything that you want to put back there. This is Linex right here. This is their Ultra, is their thinner version. Most bed liners are from about $300 to $1,000 depending on what you want to do with it. One of the coolest things that we have on this Raptor is this tent right here. It makes it super nice when we want to camp or get off the ground when we're mountain biking.
And this one's also by Frontrunner. I love the design of this. It's pretty cool. It's easy. We left the top on so you can kind of see the functionality of it, but Tyler's opening it up. Look how easy this is. You just kind of give it a pull with the ladder. It's attached up top, and the whole thing, it just slides right open, making it super easy. And it actually counterbalances the weight on top of the racks that we have from Frontrunner. So you can see how fast we literally got this thing open within minutes. Now all we have to do is just put on our support beams to keep us protected from the rain.
This is super easy to put together, super nice in here, super protected, very roomy. Me and my dad can both fit in here. Super nice to help you get out of the rain.
Yes!
One thing that me and my dad really love to do is mountain biking. This is a Kuat 2 bike rack right here. Keeps our bikes nice and secure. These bike locks right here, they're nearly indestructible. One thing that we really like right here is this bike stand allows us to work on our bikes. I was like touching the pedal or something. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. This was super fun to make. Hope you guys like and subscribe.
Awesome. All right, you know what? I can't do it without my Chief Technical Officer, my son Tyler. We love our Bronco, or oh my God, we love our Raptor. It's okay, we'll keep talking about it because it's gonna pour and rain on us. We hope you guys enjoyed all the stuff on here. Links down below to all the products that we have on this, and we hope to see you guys out there somewhere on the road. We gotta run because it's gonna freaking dump in about 30 seconds. See you guys. Okay, we're done.